In April 2018, something new came from Twin Space. For the 2018 HMI exhibition in Hanover, Germany, LCM, Pepperl+Fuchs and Salvagnini created a new way of presenting a use case of Industry 4.0 and digital twin applications. Pepperl+Fuchs' Neoception platform processed orders contactless, transferred it to the Salvagnini production machine and did the final quality check. Visitors could watch each step and had an insight view of how the digital twin developed by LCM for Salvagnini's Mac 2.0 system worked. But the bending machine wasn't even there. From Monday to Friday, daily from 9 to 6, the team broadcasted live from Ensdorf in Austria to Hanover. Orders were processed live, questions answered by one of Salvagnini's experts, and even last-second changes could have been done.
And the bending process starts. So the box is already finished. We take it out from the machine. We put the box in the smart runner.
Showing inside views of the P1 bending machine, permanent head-up view and the reaction of the Mac 2.0 software by Salvagnini and LCM on a different metal qualities was standard on each live show. Six cameras, one control room, 2 HD live feeds brought even more experience to the visitors as it could have ever been with a real machine on site. The broadcast was developed by True Emotion Pictures, experts in long-term live streaming on sports and other events. See you soon in our Twin Space.
So you can choose from 3 different profiles and in 3 different materials. Take your choice on the stand of LCM or Pepperl+Fuchs and place your order in the clouds, and here in Salvagnini Maschinenbau, 800 kilometers far away in another country, in Austria, in Ensdorf on the border, Upper Austria to Lower Austria near the Danube, where the P1 machine, the smallest machine from Salvagnini Maschinenbau, and our operator Patrick is, we are producing your giveaways, your own created giveaways, and send it to your home. So one is already finished. It is a pen holder, aluminium. We get the green light, so the quality check was perfect.